Analysis of the tensile strength and rate of biodegradability of PVA chitosan blended plastic films using white shrimp Litopenes setiferus as chitosan source. Chitin was extracted from white shrimps Litopenes setiferus and was processed to chitosan by the standard procedures for deproteinization, demineralization and multideacetylation. The chitosan product was tested with FTIR for the percentage degree of decetylation. Chitosan was blended with polyvinyl alcohol in different concentrations 2%, 3% and 4% to produce biodegradable plastics. The resulting plastics were tested for variation of the blend concentrations in the tensile elongation, which is one of the characteristics needed for their use in food packaging applications. The plastic film's biodegradability with respect to time was also determined by measuring the weight loss with time during soil burrowing at 4 different time intervals within a month period 7.5, 7, 7, 7 days. The tensile test results showed that as the chitosan concentration is increased, the plastics showed increasing tensile strength values. Similarly, there was an observed increase in the degree of biodegradability when the film comprises of pure chitosan component. Introduction. Plastic waste is a growing environmental problem because most plastics take centuries to decompose. This study explores an eco-friendly alternative called bioplastic, made from chitosan, a natural material found in shrimp shells. Instead of discarding these shells as waste, they can be turned into chitosan, which is biodegradable, non-toxic, and has natural antibacterial properties. Chitosan is already used safely in food, medicine, and cosmetics. In this research, chitosan was mixed with polyvinyl alcohol PVA, a safe, water-soluble material, to create plastic-like films. Different concentrations 2%, 3%, and 4% were tested to see how fast the material decomposes and how strong it is over time. The goal is to develop a sustainable packaging material that breaks down naturally but is still strong enough for practical use, especially for food packaging. By turning shrimp shell waste into useful products, this study supports both waste reduction and environmental protection. Conclusion. In this study, eco-friendly plastic films were made using chitosan, a natural material extracted from white shrimp shells. These films were tested to see how well they break down in the environment and how strong they are. The results showed that the films became more biodegradable as the chitosan concentration increased, especially when used with lower chemical additives. Pure chitosan 100% showed the highest breakdown when exposed to natural conditions. The strength of the films also generally improved with more chitosan, meaning they could be both durable and environmentally friendly. While there were slight variations in the results, the overall findings suggest that chitosan-based plastics have great potential to replace traditional plastics. These biodegradable films could be especially useful for packaging food and other products, offering a sustainable alternative that helps reduce plastic pollution. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.